सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्.
Relax.
सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्.
Mind is an action. When you can stop walking, talking, why not thinking? Mind is not a thing. It is an action. Without having what you call as mind and living your life is what I call living enlightenment. I want you to know an important truth. Surrendering to the now means accepting the outer world and the response which is happening in the inner world. I accept externally and internally. Then suddenly you will see, you will be unclutched. Understand? Surrendering with responsibility is enlightenment. That's all.